Now we're going to look at the settings feature. So click on the link on the left hand side that says settings. Here you can alter basic information about your Blogger site, such as the title, the description, the address of the site, including buying a custom domain, which we can talk about in a later video. Just cancel that. And you can also alter who can access and who can view your site. So if anybody else can publish blog posts, and anybody, you can restrict the access of who you want to be able to read your blog. Now if you look back over at the list of links on the left hand side of the page, you will now see that there is some more options that we can look at. So click on posts and comments. Here you can now change the settings for blog posts and also on the commenting tool. So we can look at how many blog posts we want to have on the main page, if there's a post template, and any sort of variation of commenting, so who can comment on our blog posts. Now again, go over to the left hand side and click on mobile and email. Here you can update details for how you create new blog posts. You can create new blog posts by sending an email or using a mobile device such as multimedia messaging or using text. But the main way of creating a new blog post is to log into your account and create a post, but we'll show you how to do that later on. You can also change over here, you've got language and formatting. So you can change any of the language settings or any of the time or date and the way in which that's displayed. Then again, click over on search preferences. Here you can edit the information that search engines will look at when indexing your Blogger site. Now I would advise you just leave this department well alone, because if you start changing this, then you might affect your search rankings. Google and Blogger do a very good job of trying to get your blog found by you just doing nothing. They do it automatically. So my advice is, if you don't know what you're doing, is just to leave this well alone. And then to click on the other section, there are a number of different tools that you can use here, such as importing, exporting or deleting the blog. So if you create a blog that you think you just want to get rid of, you can delete it there. And a few other settings such as the site feed, OpenID, so who can visit and comment on your blog. Is there adult content on your website? And you can also import your Google Analytics account into your Blogger site to get even more valuable statistics.